So let's begin. Pre-intermediate level words. This is group 1 and we're going to read a text called Really Cool Holiday Plans to learn these words. Here you see all of the words from group 1. You see that there are 20 items from a bit to another. So let's go on and take a look at the text Really Cool Holiday Plans. Safari holidays in Africa, New York shopping trips, relaxing on a Mediterranean beach, just a few great holiday ideas. A long time ago, only rich people were able to go abroad. But now there are many cheap travel companies, and so almost anyone can dream of visiting places all over the world for an exciting vacation. There, I would suggest that you pause the video and try reading that one more time yourself. But now let's take a look at the first of the items from this group. A few, some, a small number of. If you have a few minutes free, can you help me? We need a few apples to make apple pie. We need a small number of apples. Painting is fun, and you only need a few things. A little paint, a few good brushes, a little paper. A long time ago means many years ago. A long time ago, my grandfather was an actor. The Egyptians built the pyramids a long time ago, thousands of years ago. This is an old train. They made it a long time ago. You can find a few of these old trains, a small number of them, all over the world. We're able to do something means having the ability or possibility to do something. If you say, I am able to, it's really another way of saying, I can. I am able to play 3 instruments, drums, violin and piano. So, I can play 3 instruments. Penguins and kiwis are birds, but they are not able to fly. They cannot fly. So the text is telling us that many years ago, only rich people could go abroad. And what does abroad mean? To another country. Only rich people were able to go to another country, or in another country. Larry wants to go abroad on holiday this year. He wants to go to another country. Maybe I will work abroad one day, perhaps in Germany. I will work maybe in another country. Edgar, that's the name of the cat, enjoys travelling. So he's a bit sad today. Edgar's sad because he isn't able to go abroad on holiday with his owners. He wants to go to another country, but he can't. He's stuck in this country. Almost means nearly. Almost 5,000 people were at the concert last night. Nearly 5,000 people. Just give me a few more minutes. I'm almost ready. I'm nearly ready. Everyone, or almost everyone, loves to swim in beautiful seas like this. In summer, people from all over the world go to the Mediterranean on holiday. and all over the world means in every country or in almost every country. All over the world, people are worried about our planet. So people in every country or almost every country are worried about our planet. This company has shops all over the world. Sam travels all over the world for his job. He's got photographs from almost every country. So now that we've seen some of these items, let's practice them. Here you see a short paragraph with some lime green colored highlights, and you have to try to rephrase them with group 1 blue colored items that you see listed on the left. Pause the video to take as much time as you need. And now if you are ready to see the answers, here they come on your screen now. Let's just read that paragraph together. A long time ago, only very rich people were able to go abroad. Now, there are a few companies which have cheap flights. Almost everyone can dream of traveling all over the world. Okay, that's it for this part of the first group from pre-intermediate level. Hope to see you in the next video for part 2.